Good bookkeeping practices. Have you just started your own business? If so, then you must note that for sustaining and expanding your small business, financial management is extremely crucial. If you do not take the right steps in this direction, then your business profitability is likely to be hit badly. It could also lead to cash flow crisis and wastage of money and other resources. Accurate bookkeeping is a necessity for any small business. This is what will help it to stand out in the competitive market. Bookkeeping can be quite helpful in keeping the small business organized and profitable. The following are some basic practices you need to follow. Setting up a chart of accounts. In order to better manage your business, it is best to set up a chart of accounts which would best keep track of all your bookkeeping information. Keeping record of daily sales and cash receipts. Good bookkeeping practices are all about doing a specific set of tasks on a regular basis in order to prevent any confusion for the future. As a part of this, it is best to record your daily sales. You also must tally the keep record of cash receipts daily. Keeping them pending may often lead to unnecessary complications, and the same must be avoided at all times. Paying bills on time. It is a good practice always to pay all your bills payable on time. This will help avoid any unnecessary penalties owing to delay in payments. Set up a budget for all your expenses and monitor the same closely. Budgets can help you in many ways. This can help to curb down excess expenditures and thereafter to help improve profitability. So it is always advisable to have budgets for all your expenditures and thereby stick to them. You need to leverage technology. As a small business's owner, you need not require expensive investments all the time. All you need is a reliable software application. This can help you in many ways. These could be in terms of keeping a track of their daily financial data. Adopting a basic software program right from the beginning provides many advantages. So always use them if it fits your budget. Hire the right people. You must hire the right people when it comes to accounting. Small businesses often tend to make the mistake of not hiring the right people for accounting since they have to pay a bit more. But you must realize that paying a bit more for hiring the right people, you stand to gain much in the long run. Planning your tax well in advance. Instead of keeping your tax calculations till the very end of the year, it is best to have the calculations done well in advance and thereafter plan how to pay your taxes which are likely to arise during the year. But you must realize that paying a bit more for hiring the right people, you stand to gain much in the long run. In conclusion, we can say that by following the above mentioned steps, you could indeed make your business grow and also to stay ahead of your competition. In case you need any consultation in regard to financial matters, please feel free to get in touch with us at The Accounting and Tax.